Hey yo, Zimbabwe, this one's for you. Yeah. All my people in the UK, you know what I'm saying? We're doing it big. Yo, listen, it's charisma. Get your hands up, UK to Zimba. Yo, forget whatever hole you wanna place me. I'm the next big thing. Campaigning for rap, this ain't a game. Like holding competitions like you wake up. Like we fighting for a crown, like every rapper's like we tell them now. Let's get it clear now. I'm giving every faker 5 seconds to clear out. Or get in, forget what you heard. Forget what they telling you. Believe me when I say it's my time now. I'm telling you, no space to breathe, no space to eat. Screw face for no one, no face to bleed. Leave me alone. Paper to make paper to check. Can't wait for haters to hate. When the easy money days it's fading. So savor the paper. Back to 9 to 5 wages and switch. They can see the kick coming like Secret Service. Purpose serving members to set the system and work. Jerking and shaking and using stuff to lyrical grace. Chasing them like an agent, I'm blazing them, then I take it to the next place. They can't explain lyrical method, you ain't touching, yo. It's the King Cager, and I'm coming to our end state. Running this shit in this money, this shit. Yo, Zimbabwe, stand up and get your hands up. It ain't nothing funny in here. And I'm coming to my end state. Running this, getting this money, this shit. Hey, yo, John, yo, play, get your hands up. It ain't nothing funny out here. It's charisma. Get your hands up. To Zimba, get your hands up. Summer or winter, get your hands up. Wherever you enter, get your hands up. Charisma, get your hands up. UK to Zimba, get your hands up. Summer or winter, get your hands up. Whatever you enter, yo, it's charisma, aka Dr. Mr. Schooling fools in a different way. Here it's a different day, eh? On road, get to know. I'm still gonna bus, riding on the bus, don't know what no. Never no show, never slack, never so. Never kept this living, never talking to the pole. Talk to the real, living real life. Won't stop to me and my family living real life. I'm rapping because it feels right, and it just so happens. Nah, it's a fact that my rap is real tight. Yeah, crazy in here. Setting up shop on every corner like an Asian dream. Tunnel vision ain't losing. Everything I do is tight, my groove is tight. Life like Cypher City here. I see you. Yo, do this with the love. It was the King Cager, and I'm coming to an end state. Running this, getting this money this year. Yo, Zimbabwe, stand up and get your hands up. It ain't nothing funny in here. Yo, it's the King Cager, and I'm coming to an end state. Running this, getting this money this year. Yo, Zimbabwe, stand up and get your hands up. It ain't nothing funny in here. Yo, it's charisma. Get your hands up. You play to Zimba. Get your hands up. Some of the winter. Get your hands up. Wherever you enter, get your hands up. Charisma. Get your hands up. You came to Zimba. Get your hands up. Some of the winter. I love you, Zimbabwe. Wherever you enter, get your hands up. Yo, DJ, play track A. This is my last track. This was for Zimbabwe. We love peace and harmony. Yeah, put your peace signs up. Put your peace signs up. The pizza, right? Put your peace signs up. Put your peace signs up. Put your peace signs up. Put your peace signs up over here, right? Murder. Yeah. Listen. I see my people die every day. I see my people cry every day. It hurts me. I see my people picking sides every day. We can't come together, divided we stay. Yeah. I see my country fall from greatness. Going from a doctor to a patient. Thinking back in the days when it was all good and creation. It's the bleak future we're facing. Guns where the roses used to be. I'm looking at my country. You're looking at a story on TV. Yeah. It's easy to ignore it and believe that miraculously somebody else is gonna fix it when we sleep. Yeah. I hear people talking military action. Then I see Zimbabwe where we're acting. No. And if it doesn't come to that shit, then it's gonna be Cuba with the sanctions. No. We're gonna take control. Yeah. Put your peace signs up. Yeah. Put your peace signs up. Put your peace signs up. You guys weak. Put your peace signs up. And roses. Put your peace signs up. Put your peace signs up if you love Zimbabwe. Yeah. Listen. Yo. starvation, record level inflation. Went from bad to worse to a desperate situation. Meanwhile, the circus doesn't stop. The media votes attack. The warlords plot. They make Mugabe out to be some mad gangster, but you never hear them talk about Lancaster. People can't afford it, but Tesco says exporting it, so you can have tomatoes in your breakfast in the morning. I don't know what to believe, cause every side I look I'm seeing is I don't agree with. I don't wanna see my people getting cheated. There's a bigger picture and I wonder if we see it. I never said I have an answer. Twist the situation, so I gotta put my hands up. I wish we could all do the same. Come together, we can make a change. Yo, put your peace signs up. Yo, put your peace signs up. Yo, put your peace signs up. If you're with me, put your peace signs up. I see you. I see you. Peace signs up. I love you. Put your peace signs up. I love you, Bobby. Put your peace signs up. Put your peace signs up. Put your peace signs up. I see you, man. Hey, yo, DJ, cut the beat. Cut the beat. Cut the beat. Cut the beat. Thank you very much, Zimfest.
Appreciate
New
that.
album coming out soon.
Charisma.
Listen, I love Zimbabwe. I died for Zimbabwe. I wear Zimbabwe on my chest, you feel me? So if you love Zimbabwe, like I love Zimbabwe, one more time, we need to make noise for peace and happiness. 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's do it. Come on, man. Peace, man. Love you all.
I love you, Zimbabwe. I love you.
Give it up for Charisma. Thank you.